Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good day, everyone, and the honored lecturer of seminar on English language teaching, Professor Dr. Syafrizal MPD. Welcome to our online seminar session. I am Dian Anjali from Group 10, and I will serve as the moderator for today's presentation, which is brought to you by Group 15. We are pleased to have you all here as we dive into a very relevant and timely topic titled Utilization of Digital AI Applications in Improving English Speaking Skills for Junior High School level. Without further ado, I would like to invite our first speaker, Hanifah Afratunisa Hussein, to begin by delivering the opening and introducing the topic. Hanifah, the screen is yours.
Okay, thank you for moderate. Hello everyone. It is truly pleasure to welcome all of you to today's seminar on a topic that is both timely and transformative. The utilization of digital AI application in improving English speaking skill for junior high school level. In an age where technology is evolving at lightning speed, we are witnessing remarkable change in the way students learn, especially in language education. Artificial intelligence, once a distant concept, is now at the heart of many innovative tools that support language acquisition. And then from virtual conversation partners to real-time pronunciation feedback, AI is breaking down barriers and creating exciting new pathways for students to develop their English speaking skill. Okay, so today we will explore how these digital AI applications are not only making English learning more engaging, but also more personalized and effective for junior high school students. Okay, we have introduction. The importance of English language skill in today's world. In today's interconnected and globalized world, English language skills have become an essential component of personal, academic, and professional success. As the world's most widely spoken second language, student acts as a bridge for communication across borders, enabling individuals to access a broadening range of opportunities and resources from international trade and diplomacy and entertainment and academia. English plays a pivotal role in facilitating cross-cultural communication and engagement. However, the digital age has further emphasizing the necessities of English as most of the internet's content, including research article, website, and digital platform, is predominantly in English. It has become increasing difficulty to fully participate in English space without a sufficient command of the language. Okay, in this context, it is crucial that younger generation, especially junior high school students, develop strong English language skill. By doing so, are not only in changing their academic prospect, but also equipping themselves with the tools necessary for future career growth and success in a globalized society. And then how can digital AI application be utilized to improve English speaking skill for junior high school? Given the challenges students face in acquiring English speaking skill, the advent of technology provides a unique opportunity to revolutionize language learning. Digital AI application, which leverage machine learning and natural language processing, have shown a great promise in improving a language acquisition by providing personalized and interactive learning experience. This application can offer tailored speaking exercise, real-time feedback, and immersive environment that are not available in a traditional classroom setting. And then the next point is the literature review, and then overview or of English language learning and speaking skill, the process of acquiring English language proficiency encompasses for many skills like listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Among these, speaking is often considered the most challenging and complex as it requires not only understanding of grammar, vocabulary, and the pronunciation, but also the ability to produce language in a real time and the respond to other in the conversation. Like language learners is particularly those in junior high school often struggle with the speaking skill due to the necessity of frequent practice, contextual learning, and the development of fluency and confidence. Okay, maybe next we will continue with the second part of the presentation delivered by Irfan Ariel Oregan Yongkolan. Okay, Irfan, please begin your presentation.
Okay, thank you, Hanifa. I will deliver the next part of the presentation, methodology. The research designed for this study is experimental, aimed at investigating the effectiveness of digital AI application in improving English speaking skills among junior high school students. An experimental design was chosen because it allows for direct manipulation of variables, such as the use of AI-powered language learning tools to determine their impact on on a dependent variable, which in this case is the improvement of English student speaking skills. And then the experimental design was chosen over a quasi-experimental approach because it enables a higher degree of control over confounding variable and allows for clearer causal inferences. In the study, students were randomly assigned to either the experimental group, which used digital AI application for language learning, or the control group, which didn't have access to these tools and continue with traditional classroom-based instruction. This random assignment ensures that the groups are comparable at the outset, thereby reducing selection bias. By using an experimental design, the study aims to assess whether the AI application specifically contributed to improvement in speaking skills rather than other factors such as teacher effectiveness or peer influence. This allows for a more precise measurement of the impact of AI tools on the learning outcomes of the students. Additionally, pre and post test assessment of student speaking skills will be used to measure the effect of the intervention over time, providing valuable data on the next extent to which these digital tools can improve language acquisition. So the participants in this study were junior high school students, specifically those enrolled in English language course at public school. The decision to focus on this age group was based on the understanding that junior high school students are at critical stage in their language learning development. Okay, the digital AI applications selected for this study were chosen based on their ability to facilitate English language learning with a particular emphasis on speaking skills. These tools include speech recognition software, interactive chatbots, and AI-based language game. Okay, next please. So the next is data collection. So to gather qualitative data on the students' experiences with the AI-powered language learning tools, interviews are conducted at the conclusion of the study. These interviews provide valuable insights into the participant perception of the tools, their learning process, and their overall satisfaction with the intervention. So the interviews were semi-structured, meaning that the interview questions were designed to guide the conversation, but also allow for flexibility in exploring the student individual experiences. And then the data analysis. So the qualitative data from the interviews were analyzed using thematic analysis, a widely used method in qualitative research for identifying, analyzing, and reporting patterns within data. So the thematic analysis was chosen because it allows for a rich, detailed, and nuanced interpretation of the student's response. Okay, next please. So, the qualitative analysis of the data collected through surveys and interviews provided rich insight into how the students perceive the use of digital AI application in improving their English speaking skills. The qualitative data not only supplement the quantitative data, but also allow for a deeper understanding of students' experiences, motivations, and challenges with AI tools. This section presents the key finding from the thematic analysis of the interview and survey, which were designed to gather feedback from the experimental group on the experiences using the AI power language learning tool. Okay, next please. So, the summary of key findings. The primary objective of this study was to explore the effectiveness of digital AI applications in improving English speaking skills among junior high school students. The finding of the study provide strong evidence supporting the use of AI-driven tools to enhance language learning, particularly in the area of speaking proficiency. And then the experimental group, which used AI application for their language practice, demonstrated significant improvement in fluency, pronunciation, and vocabulary usage compared to the control group that rely on traditional language learning method. Okay, thank you. I'll give you back to the moderator. Oh, sorry. Uh, Next. For educators, the integration of AI tools into language teaching should be considered as a means to enhance students' speaking abilities. AI can provide personalized, interactive, and engaging opportunities for practice that are difficult to achieve through traditional methods alone. Educators should incorporate AI application into their teaching strategies, not as replacement for face-to-face instruction, but as a supplementary tool that allows students to practice speaking outside the classroom. Next. Okay, I'll give it back to the moderator. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Irfan, for the comprehensive presentation. Now we will open the floor for a question and answer session. If any participants have questions, you may raise your hand to speak directly. Okay, yes, please. Go ahead, Kavi.
All right. Thank you for the moderator. I would like to ask a question. Mm, what digital AI applications were used in the study to improve English speaking skills among junior high school students? And and how did each tool contribute to their learning? So that was for my question. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for the question, Rafi. Is there anyone else who would like to ask? All right, Nashwa, you may ask your question.
Okay, thank you for the moderator. I will ask what were the main findings of the study regarding the impact of AI applications on students' English speaking skills? Thank you.
Okay, thank you for your question, Nashwa. Now let's hear the response from our presenters.
Okay, thank you for the question. Maybe I will answer the first question first from the Rafi Arahman, right? Okay, so the question is in the study to improve English speaking skills. Um, so the answer is the application like Spetling, Duolingo, and Replica. Like Spetling focus on improving pronunciation and fluency by offering real-time feedback using speech recognition, and student could listen, repeat, and receive corrective suggestion. And then for the Duolingo, is use gamification elements like a point and level to engage students in fun speaking and listening exercise. Its adaptability made it suitable for learners at various proficiency levels. And then for the replica application, it serves as an AI powered chatbot that enables students to simulate real life English conversation in a low pressure environment. It's helping them build a fluency and confidence without fear of judgment. Okay, I think that's it. Is it Rafi? Is it clear?
Yes, thank you for the answer.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay, I will answer the second question by Naswa. So the question is, what were the main findings of the study regarding the impact of AI application on students' speaking skills? Thank you for the question, by the way, and I will answer. So the study found that AI application significantly improves students' fluency, pronunciation, and vocabulary usage. Students in the experimental group show marked progress compared to those using traditional methods. Overall, the study concluded that AI applications are effective as supplementary tools to enhance English speaking skills among junior high school students. Thank you. Is it clear, Naswa?
Okay, thank you for the answer.
Give it back to the moderator.
Okay, thank you for the engaging questions and thoughtful responses. Before we end today's seminar, allow me to briefly deliver the conclusion of this seminar. The findings of this study suggest that digital AI applications hold significant promise for transforming English language learning, particularly in the area of speaking skills. The ability of AI tools to provide personalized, interactive, and engaging learning experiences makes them a valuable addition to the language classroom. By offering real time feedback, adapting to individual learning needs, and fostering student motivation through gamification, AI applications can help students improve their speaking skills in a way that traditional methods alone may not be able to achieve. Once again, thank you to our presenters, Hanifah Afratunisa and Irfan Ariel Oriega Nainggolan, and to all participants for your attention and enthusiasm throughout today's session. We hope this seminar has provided valuable insights and inspiration for applying AI in the field of language learning. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and have a great day.